Backstage View is an area within Excel and other Office programs that allows you to manage your files and their settings. As the name suggests, Backstage View allows us to manipulate back-end operations and settings of our Excel workbook. This means that it's more to do with the external management of our workbook than the actual content of it. In recent versions of Excel, we access Backstage View in a new pop-up window separate from our worksheets. In older versions, the Backstage View functions can be accessed through the drop-down File menu. Let's explore Backstage View in Excel 2016. The very first tab in the ribbon is the File tab, which gives us access to Backstage View. We actually already used it when we learned how to open and save workbooks, but as you must have noticed, there are several other functions available within this window. Through this navigation pane right here, we can access common file-specific features such as opening, saving, printing, sharing, and exporting Excel workbooks. At the bottom of the navigation pane, separated by a divider, we can access three additional menus: Account, Feedback, and Options. The Account menu gives us more information about our Microsoft Office product, while Feedback allows us to tell Microsoft what we like and don't like about Excel. The Options menu opens up another detailed Settings window. This allows us to modify user interface options and default settings when Excel is launched. It also lets us customize certain basic features of Excel according to our individual preferences. As we have seen, apart from this last Options menu, the other menus in Backstage View follow an identical layout divided into three panes. In the left navigation pane, click on the feature you want to manage. For example, if we click on the Open tab, this will then lead us to the next pane, which shows us all the avenues through which we can open new workbooks. Selecting any of these will now expand a third pane, which provides us further details and access options for the avenue we chose. So, if we now select Recent Workbooks, we will see a list of the workbooks we have edited most recently. Backstage View is a very useful tool within Excel, which you will end up using quite frequently. We will explore some of its functions, such as printing, in depth later on in the course.